So you might be in a situation where for some reason you keep getting this incorrect password Facebook little thing on Facebook. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the very first thing I would recommend doing, and this is probably the thing that you're going to have to keep an eye out for, is to make sure you've actually logged in and signed up with Facebook with the right account. So if I go and click here, if I log into another account, the first thing I recommend doing, making sure you typed in the right, actual password for your specific account. Because if you didn't, that is going to be the main reason why this is causing you some issues. So go through a double, triple, quadruple check you're typing in the right password. You can click on this eye icon here too to actually showcase to you the actual password that you're typing in. And again, all you want to make sure that you're actually typing in everything properly, because if you're not, well, that's going to be the main issue that you have. So make sure that's not the case, and a majority of the time that might end up working out. Now, if that doesn't end up working, make sure you're typing in the right mobile phone, email, whatever you input here. Make sure that's correct as well, because if that is wrong and this is wrong, then it's not going to work out. So those are the first two things I'd recommend keeping an eye out for. Now, the next thing is, if you can't figure that out, you basically want to go ahead and click Forgot Password. So there's going to be a little Forgot Password option underneath the login button. Just go on and click there. And here it's going to basically allow you to recover your account. So you can go ahead and type in your mobile phone number or your email. So go ahead and type those things in, and it's essentially going to go ahead and send you a little email that you can go ahead and essentially recover your account with. So that is basically the main thing you can do there as well if you can't remember your password or email. Now, if that's not working, if you're using a mobile phone, I would recommend going into your App Store, Google Play Store, whatever you have, and essentially going through and pretty much updating your Facebook application. So just go through Update Facebook. You can click on Facebook right there. Go ahead and update the specific application, and that might end up fixing the problem too. That's still not working. You may want to make sure Facebook's not down. You can go to downdetector.com and check it from there, but those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.